afternoon, students. You are welcome to e-learning class of Oriental Public School. I am Pankaj Kumar Misra here with a second video of history topic print culture in the modern world. Today our topic is the first printed book. This is the second video. Here we are going to read about from where the first printed book was introduced in the world. The earliest kind of print technology can be traced to China. If we talk about the earliest kind of print technology, it was first developed in China. China was the first country of the world who introduced first print technology. It was a system of handwriting. That time there were no mechanical printing. Before mechanical printing, there was handwriting. Everything was done through handwritten records. In 594 AD, wood block printing system was introduced in China. In 594 AD, China introduced wood block printing. Both the sides of thin and porous sheet could not be used to print because it was not comfortable and suitable for print. So, the paper or the wood blocks which were thin and porous were not used to print. Accordion book was introduced in China. Accordion book was a kind of book. It is also called the first kind of book introduced in China. China had a huge bureaucratic system. This bureaucratic system was a system of recruiting the people through conducting civil services examination as we conduct in India like BPSC and UPSC. The persons were recruited through civil service examination. For this, there was a huge production of books. The candidates who were preparing for the examination purchased the books and start preparation after they appear in the examination. Books were printed for exam preparation. As the number of candidates appearing for the test went up, the books also followed them. As the number of candidates increased in the examination, the demand of book also increased with them. So, producers started to produce their books in a large scale. Reading became a leisure activity because before print technology there was a less number of literate people. They were not interested in book, even they don't know about the books. As well as the number of literate people increase, they have the interest toward books. So whenever people were in the leisure, they start reading book. That's why reading become a leisure activity. Merchants used to read book for trade information. The books were also available for the trades, and that book have a lot of information regarding trade. So merchants gain by reading a lot of information for their trade. Rich women started publishing their own writings. The rich women were already literate, even they were capable. So women started to express their opinions, feelings, and the system going on in the society by their writings. Mechanical printing press were imported China from Western nation. Mechanical printing was not developed in China. It was imported to China from Western nations. Shanghai, a place, became the hub of the printing culture in China. Shanghai was the name of a place which became the hub of the printing culture in China. This topic we are reading about print in Japan. Here we will read how did print travel to Japan. As we know, Buddhist missionaries who traveled from China to Japan introduced print culture in Japan. Buddhist missionaries traveled from China to different parts of the world. They also went to Japan to spread the Buddhism. So with them, this knowledge of print went to Japan. In this way, print technology was traveled China to Japan by the Buddhist missionaries. Diamond Sutra became the first Japanese book. Diamond Sutra was the first Japanese book print in Japan. Famous topic like cooking, traveling, music, and stories and happenings with the women's related topics were also written in the books, which increased the interest of readers. This was also a kind of tricks used by the booksellers to increase the interest of people. So they have a different types of stories and topics in their books. Our next topic is print comes to Europe. Here we will read how did print come to Europe. Paper reached Europe from China in the 11th century through the Silk Route. As you know, China produced paper in the 100 BC, but this traveled to 11th century in Europe through Silk Route. Silk Route was a kind of route developed in China from China to Rome. It connects the European countries. As you know, silk is a textile raw material which was highly demanded in the European country. So through this Silk Route, European travelers traveled to China, purchased silk. But they not only purchased silk, whenever they reached to China, they saw different types of Chinese pottery. They also like these spices, cotton, etc. and tea. These were the raw materials they also buy and take out through this Silk Route. The Silk Route has a great eminence in this topic, print culture. Manuscripts were produced by the scribes. Scribes were the skilled person who were having skilled in handwriting. The manuscript means manual script, handwritten books. Marco Polo, a great explorer, introduced the wood block printing system in Italy. The Italy got the wood block printing through Marco Polo. Marco Polo was a explorer who traveled to different part of the world and introduced this wood block printing to Italy. With increasing demand, need for a new printing system rose. As the increasing demand were there, a new printing system rose because traditional printing system was not capable to fulfill the demands of the books, so new systems were developed there to fulfill the demands. This is all about in this video. Very soon I will come with the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.